Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to hide likes on an Instagram post. So if you are posting a picture on Instagram and you want to hide the likes on the post, I'll show you how to do that in this video today. So first things first, go to Instagram and then click on the post option. Now quickly find the picture that you want to upload. I'll choose this random one right here and then click next. Once you click next, if you don't want to add anything, just click next again. And once you get here, at the very bottom of all the options, there should be an option for advanced settings. Click on that, and then this page will show up. Here, all you have to do is turn on hide like and view count on this post. If you click on that, then the likes will be hidden on the post. So that's how you turn off the likes on the post. So let me share it real quick, and I'll show you guys how to turn the likes back on if you want to. So once you share it and it's uploaded like this, all you have to do is on the post, click on the three dots in the top right corner of the post. If you click on that, then this option will show up right here. And all you have to do is unhide like count. It should be the third option down, and then you'll be able to see the like count again. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, I'd really appreciate a like and subscribe. Leave any questions you have in the comment section below. I'll do my best to answer it, and I'll see you guys next time.